Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? It's your girl, Unique Ozor. I'm here again. Today, I will be doing a very simple recipe. A very simple recipe. It's called peanut butter cookies. This is a recipe you can easily do in your home, and it is very easy to make. So, the ingredients I'm going to use, the things I'm going to use to make this cookie is this is my peanut butter. So I'm going to use 1 cup of this peanut butter which I already poured out, and I'm going to use, actually, if you don't have brown sugar, you can make use of your white sugar, but I always like to use my brown sugar. Then I'll use my egg, 1 egg. I will use my baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and I will use my vanilla essence. Actually, I'm going to use a vanilla the vanilla powder and not the liquid one. Then I have my pinch of salt down here. So let us go right into making this cookie. So I'll just pour my peanut butter, pour everything on the bowl. Then I will go ahead and pour in my sugar and a pinch of salt. I'll add my egg. I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and I will use two wraps of vanilla powder. Okay, so I'll go ahead and whisk this whole mixture. I'll just whisk for like 2 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and you see, this is how it came out. So the next thing I'll do, I would actually use this. I just bought it, but I don't know if it doesn't come out well. I will use my hand. So I'll just shift this straight down and go over to my pan. So this is my baking sheet. This is my pan and this is my baking sheet. So I'll just scoop them and put on the baking sheet. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just press it with my fork and press it like this. Okay, so I'll just place it on my oven and preheat your oven. So I'll just place it on my oven for like 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll show you what it looks like after 8 to 10 minutes. So guys, this is actually how my cookies came out. You can see. This is actually how it came out. But it actually tastes so yummy. This is my own recipe. Try it out and tell me what you think. Bye bye.